is up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice because it is late. And I wanted to film a video at 8 o'clock at night, which is not smart of me because all of my looks take at least 3 or 4 hours. But I get ambitious. You know what I mean? I'm an ambitious girl. Can't help it. But yeah, I'm really excited because I wanted to do a spring look and I feel like we accomplished that today. Anyways, I had a great time filming this video. I hope you guys love this look, and if you want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, of course I'm using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm using the greenest color of that palette. You could probably take any kind of green in that palette or just another sort of lime green and just kind of pack it onto the crease area. I'm using a Morphe M433, I believe. Then I just take a lighter green and I'm using a 506, I believe, and I'm using that to pack on that color above the first green, and it's just like a gradual effect, and then you see I go into the yellow because that way it adds more dimension. It doesn't look as flat when you blend it out. It just kind of gives it like a little gradient effect. I always say that and it's so annoying to me, but it's the truth. Like, it really does help make it look better. Then I just start adding more color and start blending just to make the outer edge look seamless, because harsh lines really distract from the eye look to me. You know, in some ways it can actually look really nice if it's meant to look like a straight line and it's not supposed to be blended. That's fine, but in this case we want it to be blended, so. And then I made a glitter concoction. Honestly, you guys, at first I hated it because I tried to use a nice little shimmer underneath, and honestly I probably should have just done the shimmer first with like some setting spray and then added the glitter, but live and learn. Yeah, basically that's what we did. So then I used a liner brush with purple mascara. I know that is so just over the top. It's too much. It's not even necessary, but I really like that purple, and I didn't have a liquid purple liner, so it turned out so adorable. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, if y'all like that purple liner or if that was just ridiculous. Tell me, I want to know. Then we do the under eye, and I'm just going to keep it simple and do the same thing that we did on the top. And under eye, I'm doing the opposite, so I'm doing yellow first and then I move to green. And of course I cut out my inner corner with concealer because when I add an inner corner pop, it makes it look a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Then I just keep going back in with all of the greens. I'm still using my Morphe M506 brush because it's perfect for the under eye. It's just small enough. Alright, here's the final look, you guys. I hope y'all love it. I love it, absolutely. I had spring in mind when I was doing this look, and I feel like we pretty much accomplished that. I feel like this is spring, like 5.0. Yes, feeling spring, feeling excited about it. I'm feeling really thankful for it because the winter was hard. Winter was hard. I don't like winter. I don't. I'm so excited to continue filming and be in my house, and like everything is almost done. Maybe one day I'll make a video and I'll show you guys like my apartment. Who knows? Would you guys be interested? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
It literally hurts to look up at the camera because of all this glitter. Pray for me when I take it off. And look at this beautiful baby. Oh my gosh. Oh.